Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Do you want to browse privately and block websites or protect your data online? Adding a VPN to Microsoft Edge is quick and easy. And yes, you can do it for free. So here's how to add VPN in Microsoft Edge, step by step. First, open your Microsoft Edge browser and go to the Edge add-ons store. You can search for it or just type microsoftedge.microsoft.com/add-ons. Step 2, in the search bar type free VPN. You will see options like Browsec VPN, Setup VPN, and Urban VPN. Step 3, pick a trusted VPN with good reviews. Click Get, then click Add Extension. Step 4, once installed, the VPN icon will appear next to the address bar. Click on it, choose a server location and turn it on. Now your connection is private and secure. A VPN helps you to browse anonymously, access blocked content, protect your data on public Wi-Fi. Do you want to get started? A link is in the description box. Check it out and stay safe online, all from your Microsoft Edge browser. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.